Guys, I literally don't know why I'm so excited to open this bag right now. Oh, they've given like a little ribbon here. And it's got its own little dust bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get her open. I've been waiting for this moment. Oh, it is so cute. Guys, look at it. It is so cute. Oh, I love it. I'm just going to take all the stuffing out of the bag so you guys can have a proper look at it. So right off the bat, here is the bag, guys. It is a translucent bag. So it just looks like this. This is pretty nude colour. It has, would you say, I don't know if this is a rubbery texture. I don't, guys, I'm not really good at this. This is the brand name here. Like I said, I think it was around £15 or less. It does have this bag inside. So this is a little pouch. I'm assuming you could put like your bank cards and really personal stuff you didn't want people to see in there. It also has this gold chain that obviously you can use to put on your shoulder. The bag does have a zipper inside, so you can zip the bag all the way up. Let me just show you what it looks like once it's zipped up. So once it's zipped up, it looks like that, and obviously no one can get inside, which is obviously a super duper good thing to have when you've got a bag like this, especially that is transparent. Okay guys, so this is the bag with the strap on. Can't really see it too well on camera, but obviously it just looks like that. You can obviously put the strap in the handle, the strap. Obviously put the strap into the bag so it just looks like that inside, and you can fit some other bits in there. Definitely fit your phone, definitely fit a small hairbrush if you want people seeing that, lipstick, few other bits, and the cute handle. And yeah, the bag is a good weight. It's not like light and flimsy. I love obviously this detailing of the bag. What else can I say about this bag, guys? I love the colour. I love the colour of this bag. They did also send this ribbon with it. I'm assuming you could, I don't know, put this on the side if you really wanted it there. Oh, I don't know if it's just a free gift. What's going on there? You know, Aliexpress and their little free gifts. It's always nice to have something free though, isn't it? Who doesn't like free stuff? I'm just trying to tie a little knot in it. A bow, I should say. So you could have that on the side like that, but it just depends what you're into and obviously what colour you was wearing. Or you could just lose it. It's up to you. I don't know if I'll be wearing it, but I like it like this. I think it's so cute. So guys, just a few specs on the bag. The bag took around 2 weeks to arrive, a week and a half to 2 weeks to arrive. It arrived via Royal Mail, obviously in the post. The packaging was really good. Obviously you got this beautiful dust bag. It also came in, just dropping my phone, this big bubble wrap. It had obviously all of its stuffing inside, and it also had obviously the Royal Mail packaging around it with my address on and stuff like that, but I just removed it before starting this review, this unboxing. What else can I say, guys? They do have various colours. I think they've got it in black, pink, blue, but I went for the nude because I feel like I do wear black quite a lot. So obviously if I've got a black dress on, or obviously even what I'm wearing today, I feel like this style is really on trend at the moment with the whole, you know, translucent look in my bag style. So I'm really loving this. I just had to jump on. When I first saw it, I was like, why would you want a bag that's see-through? But when I saw this on Aliexpress, I was like, hell yeah, I'm getting this bag. And I think this colour looks like really bougie. I don't know about what you guys think, but I think it looks really, really bougie. And I'm thinking I want to start ordering a few things off AliExpress. Let me know down in the comments down below if you guys would like bigger AliExpress hauls that I can do for you guys. Testing out, you know, some products, would be makeup, bags, clothes, I'm not really sure. But that's what I would like to do, maybe accessories, bags. Bag is an accessories, isn't it? Anyway, you guys get what I'm saying. If you want to see some AliExpress hauls, let me know down in the comments below, and maybe I can just get that done for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I'm so happy with my little AliExpress bag. I'm going to keep it in its little dust bag and definitely order maybe 1 or 2 colours of this bag, because it was super duper affordable. Oh, I didn't add, guys, at the bottom it does have these nice studs, so obviously when you're putting it down, it's not directly on the surface that you put it on. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this unboxing, guys. Really, really happy with my purchase. I was like, oh my god, if I unbox this on camera and then it's absolute crap, I don't know what. This is just gonna be a funny video. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video again, guys. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you're always notified every time I upload videos. And I will see you soon, guys.